I've got three absolute must-have new generation Toyota 4Runner accessories that are not only affordable, but serve a fantastic purpose. Let's get right into it. Starting with this hood insulator that is actually an improved version of what you already get from Toyota, the manufacturer. Now, pop the hood open of your new generation Toyota 4Runner, whether it's an SR5, a TRD Off-Road, a TRD Sport, or a hybrid iForce Max like this one here, and make sure that you have a hood insulator. If you don't, or if for whatever reason the one you have is damaged, consider this one from Lexland.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description below, and I'll show you in just a second exactly how functional it is. It does actually cover a wider area, and it fits really good against the inner hood of your Toyota 4Runner, whether it's the entry-level model or something a little bit more equipped like this one here. And there's two reasons why you want to further protect or get something a little bit more superior in terms of hood insulator for your Toyota, especially if it's a hybrid. Let me explain. First reason why you would want to get a hood insulator, similar to the one here from Lexland.com, is for the actual noise reduction. So these serve two functional purposes that I know of. One of them is to help increase the comfort level in the interior cabin for the driver and for the passengers. Underneath the hood of the new Gen 4Runner, you have a 4-cylinder 2.4 liter powertrain with a turbo. Now, overall, Toyota did a fantastic job. It's actually quite quiet, but if you stomp on the throttle or you're in heavy acceleration, it can get a little bit noisy on the interior. So having something more superior, or having something that further helps to make it quieter on the interior, is always good news. Reason number two why you might want to upgrade your hood insulator from what you get already or from what you don't have is due to the heat. So actually, these do help to absorb a lot of heat that comes off from the powertrain, specifically the combustion gasoline engine. And heat is one of your biggest enemies when you're talking about the overall performance and efficiency of a specifically Toyota hybrid, but even the non-hybrid models, when you're dealing with heavy heat or a lot of heat, you usually do burn more fuel. And in the hybrid equivalent, this is definitely true still, because the optimal operating temperature for a Toyota hybrid is right around 25 degrees. If it's drastically hotter than that, you will start to use your gasoline combustion engine more, which means you will burn more fuel. Now, I talk about some of this in my Toyota hybrid ebook guide. I'll leave a link in the description below, alongside with the links to all of these aftermarket accessories for your Toyota 4Runner new generation. If you want to learn more about the hybrid powertrain system, how it works, how it functions, how to improve efficiency, then consider grabbing that free 50-page long hybrid ebook guide. You can also purchase an additional hybrid ebook guide that is a little bit more of a toolkit. It tells you a little bit more granular information, like some checklists. And if you like and appreciate content like this, consider subscribing to the Toyotaworld YouTube channel. Now again, underneath the hood of a hybrid 4Runner, you've got the gasoline combustion engine. You've got some orange cables here, which are your high voltage cables that lead to your hybrid high voltage battery. And they're orange because they are supposed to be like that by code, to let you know that they are a hazard to work on or touch. You shouldn't really be touching those. And this is your inverter. This is the brains of the Toyota hybrid powertrain system. This is what communicates to let the vehicle know what it needs to do, meaning use the electric motors, use the gasoline engine. And if this is overheated, or if it's overworked and getting too hot, your hybrid powertrain system will be less efficient, which is why you want to upgrade your hood insulator. After making this video live, I will leave a comment in the comment section of the video and pin it to let everyone know exactly how long it took me to install this aftermarket hood insulator. And it does come standard with its own set of hood insulator plugs to hold it in place. And I don't really want to install it right now because I don't really want to get my hands dirty. Second on the list for the Toyota 4Runner new gen is this windshield sunshade. Now, why is a windshield sunshade so important in a Toyota iForce Max specifically, but really any vehicle? Well, one, it helps keep the interior cabin cooler and more comfortable, so that when you get in, you don't have to blast your AC. But here's why that's important on a Toyota hybrid. So when you get in your vehicle, start it up, If it's very hot on the interior, you will want to use your air conditioning at full blast. And when you do that, you're actually hindering the amount of fuel economy, or how much fuel you're going to be burning, because your AC does get slightly operated by your combustion gasoline engine. So if your AC is blaring on a hot summer day because it's boiling hot on the interior, you will be burning more fuel, and you will notice the decrease in fuel economy over the course of a couple of days or a couple of weeks if you continue to do that. Because, like I said, your AC unit is tied together with your gasoline combustion engine. So having something like this custom windshield sunshade from Lexland.com is super necessary on your new gen Toyota 4Runner, link in the description. Actually, check out how good this windshield sunshade fits to the front windshield of this new gen 4Runner. It fits really like a glove. There's almost no light coming through. Actually, it has these extending, folding out pieces here that you can see that really help to cover any kind of cracks and crevices. And more importantly, check this out. There's actually a Velcro piece here that helps to connect the front of the sunshade together, if you can see that here, and it makes it hang on and not have to slide around or drop down, which really helps, and I'll tell you why in just a second. So you see right underneath here, right behind this windshield sunshade, this is your motion sensor that actually comes standard from the manufacturer, and it is supposed to help deter theft and truck thieves from stealing your vehicle, because when it's left on, it will detect any motion and sound off your alarm once your vehicle is locked and shut off. Now, if something like a windshield sunshade is on your windshield and for whatever reason your vehicle's off and it kind of drops down a bit or moves around, more than likely it will set off this alarm. And really the only option, other than, you'd have to shut this off. Like, if you didn't want that to happen, you'd have to turn it off, which isn't really ideal, because then you're not getting the protection for theft or car thieves. So I would leave it on, but you want to be careful with what kind of sunshade you're using or getting. And this one, it looks like it's going to stay in place. You just got to drop down your, sun visors, of course, helps to hold it up. That's, one rule of thumb with any kind of sunshade. But once it's set, doesn't look like it's going anywhere thanks to this Velcro here. So you shouldn't be setting off that motion sensor alarm. I'm gonna test it out, and actually if it does set off the alarm, I'll let you know in the comments, or I'll let you know in the description of this video. But so far, so good. Third on this list, well, if you're a little bit like me, you'll appreciate this aftermarket accessory, because, well, I have OCD and I like things organized, especially in my vehicle and in the interior. And having this insert really helps with the interior organization of your new gen Toyota 4Runner. Check it out. See, on the interior here of the new gen 4Runner, Toyota gave you a center glove box armrest console, which does have a decent amount of space, but there's really nothing to it other than a large cavity that you can throw your stuff in. So if you're in a rush, or if you have a bit of an emergency, you need to get to something quickly, it can get a little bit frustrating. Now, I try to keep it not so packed, but for a lot of drivers that carry and store a lot of stuff onto your interior, this may become a problem. This storage tray is just gonna give everything a home and keep it from shifting around. And actually, I didn't even add the panels here that it comes standard with. Check this out. So when you purchase this tray, Lexland actually gives you these insertable little rubber floor mats, you can say, that help to keep everything in place and from shifting around. When I stumbled across Lexland.com, I spent almost an hour going through pages worth of really cool aftermarket accessories for the new gen 4Runner. You can even get seat covers that replicate the look of the interior on the TRD Pro new gen 4Runner, that red camo interior. Really cool. You can even get lighting accessories. There's so much to choose from. Check it out. I'll leave it linked in the description. Hope you enjoyed this video, topic, and review, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.